Hi everyone, for this episode I just wanted to show you how to clean this cartridge filter for your above ground pool. So if you have a Bestway, Intex, Coleman, Summer Wave, they use about the same filter, but this is the 530 gallon per hour filter. And you can see here, there's a lot of gunks right here. The last 2 years, I've only used two filters per pool season. I use two so I can easily swap them. I take the dirty filter out and put the clean one in, and then I clean the dirty filter that I just took out to get it ready for my next filter change. To clean this, you simply need to use your garden hose. I found that the fan setting works best as it can reach all the folded area of the filter. If you do not have a fan setting, you can also use the jet setting as well. So just want to show you the difference between this and this that's been cleaned, right? So let me go ahead and spend a couple of minutes. So I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I don't want to bore you to that watching this, but basically you just have to do this. So I'm gonna go hold the other side now, okay, and then spray it down again. Okay, so it's clean now. See that there's like a little there's still some little gunks over there, but that's clean enough to remove the pressure from your filter. So you see that. So if you want to clean those some more, you can actually open it one at a time and use the water again and just spray it out. Another way you can clean it is to put it in a hot water with dishwashing detergent, and then after that when you clean it up it's gonna be coming out a lot cleaner. But for me, this is the only thing I use, and it's fast and easy. Only take me about 2 minutes, and I'm gonna be putting this back in. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel. Thank you for watching.